My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class AMG. This vehicle has done just under 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. On our screen we can access navigation, radio and media, and smartphone integration. Just below the screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we use our latch button here, we can close and open our convertible roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.